In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Aircall with HubSpot for an enhanced customer experience. By the end of this guide, you'll have a powerful integration at your fingertips, enabling smoother operations and better communication with your customers. To start, open your preferred web browser and head over to the HubSpot user guide bus. If you're unfamiliar with HubSpot, this is essentially your go-to digital assistant, offering insights and tips on maximizing HubSpot's capabilities. Once you've arrived at the HubSpot interface, locate the navigation panel. Here you're going to click on the section labeled Marketplace by Tom. This is your digital storefront for discovering various apps that can enhance your HubSpot experience. Upon entering the marketplace, you'll want to focus your attention on the Apps section, which you can find with a simple click. The Apps section is where you'll access a plethora of integrations that can supercharge your HubSpot functionality. Now it's time to locate Aircall. Navigate to the search bar, type in Aircall, and let the magic unfold. Aircall should appear promptly in the list of available applications. Your next step involves selecting Aircall from the list. Clicking on it will lead you to its dedicated page where you can find more information about what Aircall offers and how it integrates with HubSpot. This is where you can ensure you're informed about the benefits of this particular integration, such as improved call capabilities directly from HubSpot, enhancing your sales and support strategies. At this stage, look for the Install App button, which you'll typically find on the top or bottom sections of the Aircall page. Clicking Install App initiates the process of bringing Aircall's power directly into your HubSpot brain. It's crucial here to ensure that you have the proper permissions set within your HubSpot account to proceed with installing applications. If you're not the administrator, you might need to collaborate with your IT team or manager to continue this step. Once you've navigated any permission checks, the final step involves connecting Aircall to your HubSpot account. You'll find a clear option labeled Connect to Aircall. Clicking this will initiate the integration process. You may be prompted to log into your Aircall account, so have your credentials ready. The system will guide you through any additional connection or permission screens to ensure a seamless setup. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully integrated Aircall with HubSpot. Remember, this integration is designed to enhance the way you interact with clients, merging the calling capabilities of Aircall with the robust customer relationship management tools of HubSpot. This setup not only modernizes your workflow, but also ensures a more streamlined and effective communication pathway with your customers. Enjoy your new setup, and here's to improving your customer interactions.